In this video, I'll guide you through how to save a Webex meeting recording. If you've just wrapped up an important meeting and need to save the recording for future reference or to share with your team, you're in the right place. Whether you're using Webex for business, education, or personal purposes, knowing how to save your meeting recordings efficiently is essential. Let's get started. First, you'll need to ensure that your meeting has come to an end. It's important to note that the recording process is only finalized once the meeting is concluded, so make sure that you've officially ended the session. This is crucial because only then will Webex start processing your recording. If you've opted for cloud recording, you'll need to be a little patient as it processes your file. Once the recording is processed, the next step is to access your recordings. To do this, navigate to the recording section within the Webex User Hub. This is where all your recorded meetings are stored. If you're using a cloud recording, you should see it listed here once the processing is complete. For those who save recordings locally, they will be stored in the specific folder you designated on your computer. Now select the recording you want to save. The good news is whether you chose to save it to the cloud or directly to your local folder, Webex does a great job of automatically saving it for you. This means you don't have to worry about manually downloading or transferring files. It's all taken care of seamlessly. However, it's worth mentioning that if you don't see a recording section in your Webex User Hub, this feature may be part of the premium package, which isn't available to all users. If you're using a free or basic version of Webex, this might be why you don't have access to it. You might need to consider upgrading your plan if recording meetings is a frequent necessity for you. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to save a Webex meeting recording. Remember, after every meeting, give it a few moments for processing if you're using the cloud. Then, head over to your recording section in the Webex User Hub to find your saved meeting. Whether it's stored in the cloud or locally on your device, it's automatically taken care of, making your life a lot easier. Hopefully, this quick guide has been helpful in showing you just how straightforward it is to save your Webex meeting recordings. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Webex experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.